Hello, in this video I am going to tell what I am scoring in CAPF General Studies Paper 1 of 2025 UPSC Assistant Commandant paper. Overall I am scoring 118 marks. I have calculated my marks by analyzing and matching my answers to 5 to 6 random coaching institute NCTs. Three of them are dedicated for civil services, and three of them are dedicated for CAPF Assistant Commandant. After matching my answer key and evaluating my marks, I am scoring ranging between 118 to 124. When I talk about the degree of difficulty of CAPF Assistant Commandant paper, I will rate this paper as on the very tougher side. This is the toughest paper in the history of CAPF Assistant Commandant. And when I have to compare the degree of difficulty of this paper, I can compare this paper to 2023 Civil Services paper, because questions were random, and I suggest to civil service aspirants, those who are going to appear for 2026 prelims paper of civil services, I suggest to those aspirants to download the paper of 2025 CAPF Assistant Commandant and try to critically analyze the degree of difficulty and the nature of questions. This will open a new this will open your mind at how questions are being framed on a new pattern. Because not a single question was direct, not a single question. And when I talk about current affair, obviously few questions were from PIV and the Hindu Indian Express, but most of the questions were random in nature. There, your presence of mind, critical understanding of the contemporary issue, and uh, elimination technique. Obviously elimination technique was also being used while solving question, but most of the questions were out of the regular pattern. So candidates, those who are scoring above 110 or 105, they are scoring above average. Reason being, few of my friends, those who are appearing for civil services mains 2025, and they are finding this paper very tough, and they are finding difficulty to solve this question accurately and perfectly. And they are also scoring very less in this examination. So candidates, those who are writing mains of 2025 of civil services, and they are facing difficulty in appearing in facing the questions of 2025 CAPF, this really matter. This really showcase that this paper is very tough. Now let me talk about the scenario of my examination hall. There were in my class there were 24 candidates. Total strength was 24, but out of those 24, approximately 17 to 18 were present. But after the completion of General Studies Paper 1, less than 7 to 8 candidates were remaining and appearing for CAPF Paper 2. So this was the fear of Paper 1. Many candidates find it easy to leave paper 2, because they feel that they are not scoring paper 1, and if paper 1 will not be if paper 1 cutoff will not be cleared, then their paper 2 will not be evaluated. So that's why they decided to leave paper 1, leave paper 2. So this was the extreme level of fear of the unconventional, uncertain, and random nature of questions which are being asked by UPSC nowadays. So those candidates, those who are going to appear for 2026 civil services, they should really analyze this paper. They should really download this paper and minutely and critically observe, analyze the level of difficulty of this paper. All right, so this was my score, evaluation, and analysis of this paper. see you in the next video with more better strategy. And in the next video I will be telling about EPFO preparation strategy, because I have devoted more than 6 months for the preparation of APFC EPFO paper. And at the beginning I was at zero stage of the knowledge of accountancy. I was not knowing the ABC of the principle of accountancy of the EPFO syllabus, but right now I am at the stage of I'm at a good stage when it comes to the understanding of accounting principle. So I'm at the right position to tell and advise the right strategy for this preparation. So in the next video I will be detailing, discussing about the line of action and the right strategy for the preparation of accounting principle, labor law, industrial relation, insurance, and computer application. Which are these five subjects are not being asked in the regular UPSC examination. So here candidates feel very difficult to prepare for EPFO, Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner examination. So this was about my score overview, analysis, and my examination hall experience of CPF. Thank you.